Do you know that you cannot use WhatsApp to create an image, animate it, and bring it to life? Yes, guys. This is a new feature WhatsApp just brought out recently. Yes. You can call it Matter AI because that's what they brand it. I mean, that's what they label it, Matter AI. Guys, this is amazing. It's just like almost every app, every social media app wants to have their own features that great image, animate it, and even great videos, just like YouTube here. You know, you can use YouTube to create image, even generate video. I mean, create video using your script to create video. I don't know if you know about it. If you don't know about it, I made a video about it last time. Go through my channel, you're gonna see that. Okay, so these new features on WhatsApp, guys, I have given it a try and it's worked perfectly well. Okay, just take a look at this. Just take a look at this. This is one of the image I just created and do what and animate it using WhatsApp, guys. This new feature, I just saw it. I was like, I was like, let me give this a try, and it's well, guys. It's well, just the way you always get an image looking for an app to animate it, guys. For now, it's all totally free. I don't know if later on they're gonna put a charge on it, but for now, guys, you can use WhatsApp to create image, animate it, and bring it to life, guys. This is truth, okay? So before I take you step to step on how you can achieve this using your WhatsApp, yeah, the same WhatsApp you used to chat people. If this is your first time of watching me or first time of coming to my channel, I welcome you. Just don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it for others to learn. Okay. Now follow me to my screen recorder. Let me show you step to step how you can achieve these new features on WhatsApp to create video, to create an image, and also animate it. Okay. Now let's go, guys.
Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to achieve this. Okay, how to generate an image, okay, and animate it using your WhatsApp app. Yes guys, it's a new feature that WhatsApp brought in, just like I told you guys. Okay, now all you have to do is click on your WhatsApp app. Okay, when you click on your WhatsApp app, you go to anybody's WhatsApp, as if you want to send someone a message, okay, or if you have any private group you open for yourself where you save some information. As you can see, this one is say mommy and son. This is where me and my son store some information we want, okay. But if you don't have such a group, you can go to anybody's, as if you want to send someone a message, okay. When you open someone's WhatsApp, this is how it looks. Just come here, the place you tap, and you take it to your gallery to pick a video or a photo to send to someone. You tap on it. When you tap on it, you take it to another interface where you make your choice. You see gallery, camera, location, and all that, okay. You come down here, you see AI image. Look at it, AI image, okay. This is where all things is happening, guys. When you tap on AI image, you take it this interface, okay, where you see another option, great image or edit photo, guys. This is where it's happening, okay. We also have all these templates if you want to make any use of any of them, okay. Now for the purpose of this video, you're going to create an image and animate it, guys, okay. It's up on this great image. You take it to another interface where it will ask you what you want. Describe a character, sense, or a style, okay. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to create a random photo. I will say I want a beautiful photo of a Nigerian princess in her princess attire, comma, sitting in her princess reality chair, okay. Now I send it, okay. Let's see what it gives us. You know, the most amazing part of this whole thing, it's going to give you, it's going to generate 4 images for you to make choice from, okay. It's not just one, not two, not three, but four, guys. It's going to generate 4 images for you, okay. Look at this. Look at this, guy. Look at this. I love this one. Look at this. Look at this. 4 images. And you know another amazing part of it, guys? The images, it has, there's no watermarks on it. Yes, just like Gemini, that when you create your image from Gemini app, it's going to, they always watermarks, they watermark their image. Also with other, some other AI too. But this one have no watermarks, guys. Just take a look at it. Okay, now it's left for you to make your choice which one you want to select, okay. I love this one. This one, I love it, okay. Since you want to select this one, all you have to do, let's go back. This one you want, okay. You click on animate. Come down here, you see edit, restyle, and animate, okay. If you want edit, you edit, or I think your editing is to edit your prompt. Then restyle, also animate, okay. Let's tap on animate, okay. We are animating the image, guys. You know how you know how it's done now. After, in fact, as a matter of fact, some people are still passing through this process. Generate the image, eliminate it, go and get a, use their script to go and get a voiceover and they create their videos, guys. But with this, everything is okay. Let's play it, guys. Take a look at it. Take a look at it, guys. I'm very pretty sure that WhatsApp is still working on this. Okay, with time, they will there will be a feature where the image will talk whatever you want it to talk. But as of now, it just creates your image and animate it, guy. Okay, as you can see, okay, it has watermark. I foresee it has watermark. Look at it at the end here. It has watermark, but it's very tiny that you can cover it with a sticker or whatever, or you go to ChatGPT and ask it to remove the watermarks. Okay, so guys, this is a new feature WhatsApp just launch. Okay, you can make use of it for those into storytelling, guys. You can make use of it. Okay, come here, generate your image, use your prompt, any character you want, generate it. Okay, and as you speak now, it's just free of charge, it's unlimited. You can generate many images as you want. Okay, after that, you look save here by your left hand side here, you tap on it and save your video. Okay, that is it, guys. So go and practice it as we hope for more features to be added. Okay, I believe with very soon there'll be a feature where your image will talk with your script or whatever you want it to talk. Okay, but for now, leverage on this, get your script, get your prompt, generate your image, and go and use it for anything you want. Okay, especially for people into storytelling. This is, in fact, yes, advantage for these features. Okay, all right, guys, if you are watching this end, congratulations and thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit that like button. Okay, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of watching me. Okay, thank you, guys.